Welcome back. Let's do question 4.2. Consider the linear pattern 5, 7, 9. We talked about this sequence. We said it is what? It is an arithmetic sequence or a linear sequence. Calculate the sum of the first 51 terms. So which formula are we going to use here? The arithmetic series formula. So which is sum of n terms is equal to n over 2, then 2a plus n minus 1 times the difference, common difference. Okay, so we have our n, we said our n is equal to 51, our a is equal to 5, and our d is equal to 2. So this is enough for us to find our sum of 51 terms. So sum of 51 terms is equal to 51 divided by 2, and then 2 times a is 5, a is 5, then plus n minus 1, which is 51 minus 1, and then the difference there is 2. Okay, right. Then you can just put this thing in the calculator as it is. Just put it as it is, and then just do that and make sure you get this answer, please. Okay, we don't want to fail because we don't know how to use calculators, isn't it? Just put this thing in the calculator as it is, and then you must get 2,805. Okay, that's what you're supposed to get there. Right, remember in the previous lesson, we managed to get that our T51 was what? T51, we got that T51 there was 105, isn't it? Which is the last term when you're having this sequence up to term number 51. It is the last term. So there's another formula that you can use which says Sn is equal to n over 2, and then a plus L, where L is the last term. Remember where this thing is coming from. It's coming from this formula. Okay, it's coming from this formula. You know that because this one is like Sn is equal to n over 2, and then 2a. You split this 2a to become a plus a. That is 2a. Then plus n minus 1 d. Okay, and then if you check, this represents what? Your Tn, the last term. Okay, so it becomes just a plus the last term. So you can use that one here and say S51, 51, not 50. 51 is equal to 51 over 2, and then your a is 5 plus 105. And then you get the same answer. The sum of 51 terms is equal to 2,805. Okay, that and done. We're going to meet when we do question 4.3.